No one could kill Jessica. It's about two sisters. One of them was a model, and she was killed by a hooligan, you may say, because she had gone to a pub, and there she had ordered. The man had told, like, just ordered her a drink, and she was unable to fetch it. Because of that, there was some kind of altercation which happened, and she was insulted. She was ridiculed and she was not able to get it on time, and she was attacked in a way, physically abused, and then there was some kind of violent happenings like altercation, and it was even exchange of words, harsh exchange of words basically, and she was shot. And the person who did it was a kind of influential person, and he escaped. And the sister of hers, who was Vidya Balan, she was a very gullible kind of mostly simple one, and she couldn't digest the fact that her sister was shot, and she took the case, and the case was there for almost 7 years, and every day practically she had to visit the court proceedings happened, everyone was present, parents were present, who were totally disheartened, and they were broken. But the case, you can understand court cases, how long it takes, and it took a grueling effort for her to actually get through it. Still the perpetrators were set free, and they belonged to a influential background. They had an influential background, they could get away with it, and she lost hope. And then this lady who was a journalist, Rani Mukherjee, emerged, and she took the challenge because she saw her once sitting in the office very with her head down, and just contemplating something. She was totally disheartened, Vidya, and she never thought that she will get her case right. She took the challenge and she won for her. And in the last scene, what they have shown, that she is near the grave and she comes with the papers, and she said that the person who actually did it, he has got life imprisonment. He was some Manish Bharadwaj, life imprisonment, and other three of them also got 6 months or 1 year kind of imprisonment. And the case she won the case. But it was good that she got justice. But the life will never come back. Even if you get justice, the person who's gone is gone. But at least for the rest of her life, she would be relieved that the accusation which was on her sister was clear, and it was those people who got punished, because punishment would have given some satisfaction. At least life will not be back. So bottom line, even if you feel that if your efforts are going unnoticed, there will come a time when your efforts will be paid. You will be paid for your efforts. And this had happened after 7-8 years, long years. She won 4.5 stars.